This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by William Cannon. This is what you heard that Lake Nona was all about. Well thought out floor plan making this 3-bedroom 2-bath townhome a must-see. You will be pleasantly surprised. Gorgeous kitchen, oversized cabinets, granite countertops, very spacious living area and large bedrooms, perfect home for even the most discerning. Conveniently located close to the Orlando International Airport, with great schools, wonderful views, and much more. Entertainment, shopping and restaurants are all within easy reach, as is access to the Florida's freeway network. Property is professionally managed and will not last, so hurry and make an appointment to view. Includes lawn care and hedge maintenance. For more information, review the details below or contact William Cannon at 954-693-0100.